Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Take a moment to imagine your best self, the absolute best version of you. It can be somebody you hope to be now, or someone you hope to be later in life. In this meditation, you will be given sentence starters. Complete the sentence as if you already were your absolute best self. Take a moment to imagine your dream self now. What do you look like? What is your personality like? How are you dressed? What types of things do you have around you? What type of people do you have around you? Finish these prompts as this dream version of you would. I am. Who are you? Finish the sentence, I am. What do you feel? I feel. What types of things do you do? I do. What do you love? Who do you love? What would you love? I love. What types of things do you say as your best self? I speak. What do you like to focus your attention on? I see. What do you understand about people? What do you understand about the world? I understand. Now take a moment to sit quietly and imagine all of your favorite parts of your best version of you. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.